Welcome to Scheer's Dairy Farm. I'm Rick Scheer, this is my wife Cindy and my daughters Elizabeth and Claire.
We are participating in St. Louis jumping, and you should be too. I fuel up on dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt. Dairy products provide calcium and vitamin D to give us strong bones and protein for our muscles. This week's St. Louis Jumping Challenge is to jump around. Find a friend and jump around them. Can you keep it up for 30 seconds? While we are at it, we thought we'd jump around our farm and take our jumping jacks to the barn. Getting outside makes being active even more fun, and there are lots of great parks, attractions, and cool places to jump around near you.
Now it's your turn. Within the next 24 hours, take this challenge and get creative with it. Be sure to pass this on to your friends. If you haven't already, go to magichouse.org/jump now to register and start getting weekly challenges. Let's get St. Louis jumping!